BJP Manipur Pradesh President T.S. Chawla says BJP does not recognize those who have enrolled through online registration. Excise Department generates revenue of more than rupees 4 crore and 33 lakh from April to September this year. And Northeast Forum for International Solidarity to mark Sharmila's 15th year of fast by holding nationwide hunger strike on November 2nd. And Manipur's Little Angels Paradise School Wangbal settles for the second place in Subrata Mukherjee Football Cup. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime News. I am Tensubam Ranita with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Two executive members of Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress today joined BJP Manipur Pradesh. Former Vice President of Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress Nauran Rabai Singh and former General Secretary Khumanthem Jiken Singh joined the BJP state unit at a function held at BJP headquarters in Nitepai Chutheg. Speaking at the function, BJP Manipur Pradesh President Thaunarjun Chawla said Bharatiya Janata Party does not recognize those members at national, state or district mandal offices who have not enrolled themselves officially. He said BJP state unit does not recognize anyone who have enrolled themselves through online. Mention may be made that recently a number of politicians including former Chief Minister and Minister have joined the party. T.S. Chawla said people of Manipur who want a new government have high hope from the BJP-led NDA government. He said the party is expanding as people have trust on Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Party President Amit Shah. He also said the BJP State Unit 2 is expanding with several veteran politicians joining the party. Today's event was attended by BJP Manipur Pradesh State General Secretary, Administration M. Asini Kumar, State General Secretary, Media Affairs L. Bashanta Sharma, among others. However, BJP Manipur Pradesh Enrollment in Charge S.I. Shanti Kumar Sharma skipped the event.
Bharatiya Janata Party party office Kina record Kamlaga Lapuksa Jalate Kana Gumana Lapoko Marandi party is head office party person Mashra record Kamuna record wish at all Madu party is Bharatiya Low Viwala. I am not coming there. Online that will make you president.
Manipur joins the world in observing World Food Day today. The day was jointly organized by Community Food and Nutrition Extension Unit, Government of India, Ministry of Women and Child Development, Imphal, and NCUI Women Cooperative Education Project, Ministry of Agriculture, Lamphilpat at Kombrai Lakpam, Kuleshwar Mandop in Khurai Konsam Laikai. The day was observed on the theme Social Protection and Agriculture, Breaking the Cycle of Rural Poverty, Balanced Diet Food and other food products were shown at the function. Residents of Cheri Konsam Laikai and surrounding areas attended the function.
Achouba Pilgi Tabakati Nupaching Toraga at the Nupina, Kisan Nupina Ayama Tomungatane. At the kitchen the Torgopotoni, family in Sagadoje. I come out on cook to get again. I give no Masarasi the Kamaton of protein young at the gay, Piet young at the gay, Kabuide young at the gay, Hibising, put preparation to what the man can be Gadaba. At the Maitorga, preparation to Pomotam, the Putopo put to the side complete Pugodama. The balance nutrition Pantaragadi, family Punamaxi, Masamo Parani, Nada Yaroi.
The day was also observed by Association of Food Scientists and Technologists India, Manipur chapter at Food Processing Hall in Porampat. Speaking at the function, Deputy Director of Food Processing Industries S. Joykumar said, rearing honeybees for production of honey and large-scale production of fruits can boost the economy of the state. He said farmers need to grow fruits that suit the climatic condition of the state. Joykumar said for successful venture, all need to work together.
Manipur we have as an ascent and bearers. We look bubbles for your question. Manipur labor climatic condition, a hunger labor, Singa Tanya, Mama, Mayamsi, and ahead of we look for your planet. As you are Wadana, as an American, we ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯖꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯏꯟꯅ ꯈꯣꯏꯍꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯈꯣꯏꯍꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯁꯦꯜꯐ ꯍꯦꯜꯞ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯣꯏꯍꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯂꯥꯡꯈꯠꯂꯤ ꯈꯣꯏꯍꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤ.
All Manipur Nupi Marup Imphal West took out a rally from Naurem Thong Laishram Leirak till DC office Imphal West in connection with the World Food Day today. The rallies demanded implementation of national food security in Manipur and provision of PDS items to the public regularly. They also accused the government of looting the public food. Slogans were also raised against the government for not taking tangible steps for food security of the people. A memorandum was also submitted to DC Imphal West. Speaking to news persons, President of All Manipur Nupi Marup, Maisnam Ongbi Sakhi Devi urged the government to implement food schemes.
Manipur da mi lakh kuntret ki mathakta lairiba sok lising ani ga tara mathoi census ki matungina lakh kun ga humdoi gi mathakta phangba yaraba sigumba scheme mase ngasi phawada Manipur sarkar na paikhatana lairiba se ngasi dagi athuba matamda paikhat piu loinana tha khudingi elot tawdana puthoi ba chingthoi ba cheng chini kerosene nongmada changdraba yadraba porchang mayam singa se athuba matamda aikoi gi Manipur gi praja miyam sing sidaida yauhanbiu Manipur gi amade Bharat ki lairaba praja miyam sing asidaida phongna lut tawriba se Bharat sarkar na amadi Manipur sarkar na athuba matamda yengchanduna sugumba lut tawriba mayam sing ase tohanbiu.
Convener of Coalition for Indigenous Rights Campaign Sirka, T.S. Somarendra has appealed to the people of Manipur to hoist the national flag of Manipur on October 18, the day on which the Manipur State Constitution Act 1947 was enforced. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Somarendra said in order to bring stability in the present volatile and uncertain situation of Manipur, Sirka, in consultation with the people of Manipur, has unanimously resolved that stability and tranquility can be restored only when pre-merger political status is restored in Manipur. As per the resolution of the Sirka, the national flag was hoisted at half-mast in various places of Manipur as part of the observance of a month-long anti-merger agreement.
October ki tarik tara ga nipan si Manipur da hana chingdaduna laigiba phiran khudimak se mapung phana singkhat piu haina koi miyam da lakthok se bhai tare chingkhatpa matam sida miyam na harau te yam gi phiron setbiba haibdi mapung naiba phanet sepi rakanda thambal lai khok khagdi luhong khongdong na setpa nungai yai phabagi adugumba phiron no setlaga chingkhat piu haiba mapung phaba ningsing manu me si phongdok nei bidam ta koi oinam da Bishenpur district ki manung chanba koi oinam kendra da hai tare Oinam Bazar da akhoi mapung phaba mapung oiba kainodu program da koi pangthok chagani.
The Northeast Forum for International Solidarity, NEFIS, has decided to mark the 15th year of social activist Irom Chanu Sharmila's heroic struggle against Armed Forces Special Power Act by organizing a one-day hunger strike across the country on November 2. NEFIS convener Chinglen Khumukcham said in a press release that this is done in consultation with Sharmila. Irom Sharmila has been on fast demanding repeal of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act since November 2, 2000. NEFIS has pledged to wage a nationwide struggle against the draconian and anti-people law. The forum is organizing the hunger strike to question the validity of the long-abused ASWA, which is in force in Jammu and Kashmir as well as in some northeast states including Manipur. It also demanded repeal of ASPA in these states. The Army and Assam Rifles have geared up for a major extensive counter-insurgency operation after cross-border movements have been restricted in Ukhrul, Chorachampur and Chandel districts. Sources said the state government restricted cross-border movement to and from Myanmar in the 3 districts during night on the request of the Army and Assam Rifles. Manipur shares 380 km of international border with Myanmar. The same restrictions were imposed under Section 144 of CRPC in order to minimize collateral damages that civilians may suffer in the event of launching a major counter-insurgency operation. For Ukhrul and Chorachampur districts, the district magistrates have issued orders which prohibit cross-border movement during night. Both the Army and Assam Rifles have been conducting counter-insurgency operations from time to time along the international border. since the killing of 18 army personnel in a deadly attack carried out by a combined militant group led by NSCN-K at Paraulon, Chandel district. Both Assam Rifles and Army have been keeping a strict vigil along the international border. Under CRPC 144, the Army and Assam Rifles can conduct surprise checks and searches inside houses of civilians located along the international border and verify identities of citizens apart from checking smuggling of goods across the border. Revolutionary People's Front said neither RPF nor its armed wing PLA has any link with Nomaitem Naukja, aged 26, son of late and Kula from Hairok Part 3, and Purit Sabam Mani Mohan Maite, aged 43, son of PH Dharma Maite of Salungpham, Kangthok Chau, Maning Laikai. Both of them were arrested separately by a combined force of 2nd Assam Rifles of 9th Sector and Thaubal Police Commando on 13th of this month. Manipur Excise Department has generated a revenue of more than rupees 4 crore and 33 lakh from April to September this year. Assistant Commissioner of Manipur Excise Department, K. Joy Kumar, told the media persons that the department generated the amount as excise duty from paramilitary forces. At least 1,556 litres of liquor seized from various districts of the state were destroyed today in the complex of Excise Department. Joy Kumar said the department conducted drives against the illicit liquor and registered 833 cases from April 1st to September 30th and collected about rupees 10 lakh. He appealed to the people to inform the department when they seize illicit liquor to generate more revenue.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯁꯪꯁꯊꯥꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯐꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯥꯎꯕꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯃꯟꯈꯤꯕꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯩ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯅꯁꯨ ꯐꯥꯏ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯏ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯇꯗꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯃꯩ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯥꯏꯖ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯤꯀꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯍꯤꯕꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯕꯦꯚꯥꯔ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯕꯦꯚꯥꯔ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯌꯨ ꯊꯤꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ.
Member of governing body of S. Kula Women's College and Ibomcha refuted the allegations that the governing body has misused grants sanctioned by the UGC for the college. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, he said the governing body and staff of the college have resolved to approach NCTE for opening of B.Ed course in the college after holding a series of meetings. The allegations hurled against the governing body is an attempt to prevent opening of B.Ed course in the college. He also refuted the allegations of misappropriation of UGC funds, saying documents for every development activity are with them.
B.Ed course asi hangna ba honar kanza waina tizero pe association na thingna ba honar padigi moina honar padigi sugumba akan ba khongthang haibadi waina charge kayama UC grand land sinagre amadi asma for selection mayam tori basing si pra baseless ko bana panuyog da ba base leita ba dumba amani aduna aroi bada ayana tizero pe association gi boy kharana college asida B.Ed course hangdana honori basi mai lebo authority amadi masomda leidiba college asibu nungsiba mipum kudingmana meng changmina ba niksing jari.
Editor of the Imphal Free Press, Pradeep Panjawam's book, The Northeast Question, Conflicts and Frontiers will hit book stands in UK and USA on December 15, as the book is scheduled to be released by Routledge UK and Routledge USA simultaneously. The 226-page book explores the idea, psychology and political geography of Northeast India as forged by two interrelated but autonomous meta-narratives. First, the politics of conflict inherent in and therefore predetermined by physical geography, and second, the larger geopolitics that was unfolding during the colonial period. Mega fashion event Yongi Tantha, hosted by Blue Wings and Manipur Creation, will be held at the Classic Grande, Chingmairong on the 18th of this month. The event aims at promoting handloom products of Manipur. Models from Russia and Serbia will be part of the event, which will showcase different handloom products. A roadshow was held today to promote the fashion show. Managing Director of Blue Wings, Khoisnam Nishikanta, expressed concern at the lack of popularity of the products despite their beauty and uniqueness. He said the event is an effort to achieve a place for handloom products of Manipur in the international handloom industry.
The Iramdam Silariba handloom products in promote on Nava, Loina Lunana, Iramdam Silariba, designers in Siki products in promotion, Toroga, Makoibu, products in Henamasak Tona, Kangan, Navagi, Pandamada, Adamina, Kalaga Pantok Samni. I went on a Pandigi international model Koribagi Manum Karigino and Haraga, the Iramdam Masi, tourism, Asukimatic Sakolaga Masi, exposure, Haigadra, Kaziktan, what Patagi, Makoisin Chikoga, the Iramdam Kangan, Havagi Masama Suiba.
The roadshow took off from Classic Grande and covered Khuman Lampak, Hatta Minuthong, Palace Compound, Moirangkhong, Singjamei Bazar, Pesum Bazar, Kashampat, Sagulban, Takiel, Imakaithel, and ended at the showroom of Manipur Creation at Thangmeiban. Models who are taking part in the event expressed their happiness on being part of the show to promote the handloom products of the state.
Manipur da leriba akhoigi middle class da leriba mayam sina so ta we di khangjaba aduga so da yawriba mi sing duga interact tawgi chance ti phangdaba aina mayam siga connection ama khatang pami habadi Manipur creation se mayam gi damakta ne ticket leiraga yengba lakadoriba do adudagi hena moina hena closely interact hongena Manipur creation stands for that.
I'm coming for the first time. What I see for now, it's very beautiful. So the people treat us very nice and the place is nice. So for now I like. I expect a good night, I expect fun, and I expect that we will give you a nice performance. They are shows, but they will show us now, to see in live everything.
I'm feeling so nice and I'm so happy that I meet so nice people here, and I hope that we will enjoy.
It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You are watching Primetime News. GSC against the killing of Khupnei Lal Nehsil and Robert Khaisei Khipken has decided to impose a 48-hour ban in hill districts of Manipur from midnight of October 18 to show discontentment and dissatisfaction over the delay in furnishing the magisterial probe report by the government. Expressing displeasure over the delay in tabling the report on the alleged encounter between KNF and personnel of 8 Assam Rifles on January 28, 2015 at Kadangban, JSC convener Thangmilan Haukip and Secretary Lunmang alleged that the government assured them of furnishing the report within 3 months, but 8 months have passed. JSC warned that if the government fails to furnish the report at the earliest, the JSC, with the support of Kuki civil society organizations, will launch an agitation until the victim gets justice. 32-year-old Soibam Malem Nganba, son of late S. Yaima of Yumnam, Patlo Mayai Lekai, Imphal East under Sagolmang police station, was allegedly abducted by unknown miscreants in the afternoon of October 14. The miscreants, numbering about 5, came in a white gypsy. He was released by the abductors the same day around 7:30 p.m. near Hotel Imphal after he was badly assaulted. Residents of Sagolmang, Yumnam Patlo and Kewa Company today held a sit-in against the incident. They said Malem Nganba sells fresh cane sugar juice, was abducted by the miscreants pretending to buy sugarcane juice for him. The miscreants accused him of collecting rupees 4 to 5 lakh from some areas in Imphal with his brother-in-law.
Phage hai taragaju marandu matik chaba maram chaba leibaga loinana thariba akhoiji mayam da khanghalamba lon na phabiga no phong na phabiyo moi dress helaga la aju na nangi na naw nu paji suguma marana ma leirame na haraga moi phong na phabiba kai kai ge ba sumaina lon na phabagi thabak maran leitaba mi da maran pisan bai thabak se aigi imung aigi laikai jida natana atopa laikai atopa imung da jo amta tawbidana ba jo ai haijaninge.
Ex-servicemen and widows of ex-servicemen have been asked to submit their Aadhaar cards and mobile numbers to their respective record offices. A press release issued by the Secretary, Rajya Sainik Board, Manipur, said pension may be stopped if they do not submit their Aadhaar cards on time. Manipur's first ever LED power project under the Pico Hydel Power Project was inaugurated today at Chepu Yaulin village near Litan in Ukhrul district. The project will produce about 5 kilowatt of electricity. The construction of the project started in October 2014 jointly by Manipur Renewable Energy Development Agency, MANREGA, and Ukhrul District Community Resource Management Society, UDCRMS. Speaking at the occasion, Director MANREGA L. Manglem said the agency is working on many development projects along with the villagers in the interior places. He appealed to the people to stop felling of trees to ensure adequate water to have electricity. The LED power project will provide 10-watt LED point 3x3 to 55 houses and 15 street lamps.
Masumba projects in other villages also when the test or LED lights in the but no doubt that CFL LED mixed up. But this village suggests, and I also request the chief to use only LED bulbs, no CFL, because CFL, though it is energy efficient, it creates certain hazardous pollution. From today, the project is not belong to neither MANREGA or district administration or Mr. IFAD. The village is going to be, the project is going to be handed over to the village. So from today, you are the owner.
People today held a protest against the partially in issue of job cards under MANREGA in front of Uchekon Youth Athletic Club at Komba Uchekon. A protester alleged that Uchekon Nongchup Zilla Parishad member Thengujam Amirani issued job cards to persons close to her.
Magi da chatle praja mayam je hodana ado mana praja sing bu nungsiba amata thamdana magi gate ki wang mada miyoi sing se amata changhandana hanghina bagi wa tawre praja ga khuchamnara chatkadaba jila parishad mana praja bu nungsiba praja ga khuchamnaba pamde praja bu nungsiba leite mangonda akoina chatluraba matungda maje amukchu baton se tawra kawba se ma laktaba se akoi ngasi mifam je phamaga dharna se tawjabani.
A new health-related software development in Manipur called Pikasoid was launched today at the office of Basic Platform opposite Yumnam Lekai, Lairenbi. Speaking to Impact News, Managing Director Basic Platform said that the software will maintain the medical records of every individual. It will help doctors and hospitals to check, review and analyze an individual's health anytime, anywhere. Anyone can make and maintain their health account using the unique and permanent Pikasoid ID.
Pikasoid की फुल फॉर्म से अखोन पेशेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन केयर सॉफ्टवेयर आईडी है अदुना मसी की सॉफ्टवेयर की मतेंग ना अखोन मयामना लोई सिजनब यारगनी अखो यूजिंग इंटरनेट अखो की वेबसाइट www.pikasoid.co.in दा अदुना सी सिजनर मतुंग दा अखोन मी इंडिविजुअल अमना अखोन हेक पोकपदगी अखोन टिल आवर लास्ट ब्रेथ अखो की मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड एंड हिस्ट्री मैम से अखोन ट्रैक तवंगम गदौरिबनी.
The 3-day 217th death anniversary of Rajashri Bhagyachandra concluded today at Anu Mahaprabhu Mandir of Navadvip Dham. The 3-day festival was jointly organized by Rajashri Bhagyachandra Cultural Foundation, Manipur and Navadvip Rajashri Bhagyachandra Cultural Foundation, West Bengal. Speaking at the valedictory function, MP Dr. T. Maina said, Ras Leela, founded by the late Maharaja Bhagyachandra today, has become a unique and world-famous dance. He also said Nata Sankirtan, designed and developed by him, has been recognized by UNESCO. Later, a procession participated by a large number of people, including Dr. Maina, also was taken out from Anuprabha Mandir till Ganga River, chanting the names of God. People offered tarpan to Rajashri Bhagyachandra at the river. A 5-day Ras Leela festival organized in connection with the 217th death anniversary of Rajashri Bhagyachandra began today at Guru Aribam Mandop, Brahmapur. The festival was organized by Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy.
Athoiba ras oina lakhot piramasing adudi Santa, Gyas, Sakya, Matsala amadi Madhur asini, Vaishnava amadi Bhakta singna Madhur ras asibu paidi athoiba awang mataki Sringar ras niyana launay. Ras Leela gi barjakopi singda leiba prem ni ngangkai naidaba awang mataki prem ni
Manipur Jagoi Ras asi Vaishnav ki Ras Shastra ki Maruiba Ras Haibadi Madhur Prem Raspu Pongdoko Mamba Yam Nawang Bataki Jagoi Makal Amani.
Now the sports news. AIFF Football Academy defeated Manipur to win the Under-17 Boys Subrata Mukherjee Football Cup tournament. In the final match of the tournament being held at Dr. Ambedkar Stadium, New Delhi, AIFF Football Academy trounced Little Angels Paradise School, Wangbal, representing Manipur. In the first half of the match, both the team netted 1 goal each, while in the second half, AIFF Football Academy dominated the match and scored 3 more goals to lift the trophy. Legendary Brazilian player Pelé, was popularly known as King of Soccer, watched the match and handed out the trophies to the winners and the runners-up. Manipur girls have entered the semis of the ongoing Junior Girls National Football Championship in Goa. In the last quarter-final match of Group 1 played today, Manipur humiliated Bihar by 12 goals to nil. Manipuri player Ranji Bala, group winner in the last match, scored a goal in the 4th minute, while Kashmina scored 4 goals in the 29th, 34th, 42nd and 57th minute of the match. Aishdeya banged in 5 goals in the 30th, 31st, 77th, 84th and 92nd minute of the match, while Hemolata and Ranjana scored 1 goal each in the 36th and 85th minute of the match. On the other hand, Manipur boys will play their first semi-final match on the 19th of this month. Khumukcham Nukshintombi Devi, who won 2 gold medals in the recently concluded Commonwealth Junior Youth and Senior Weightlifting Championship 2015, was given a rousing reception when she arrived at the Imphal International Airport today. The championship was hosted by India at Pune from October 13 to 15. Several people, including family members and players, garlanded her on her arrival. Nukshintombi claims 1 gold each in junior and youth category. The pre-quarter-final matches of the ongoing Sri Rajkumar Noyon Shana Singh and Rajkumari Ombi Pema Caesar Memorial Open Tennis Tournament were played today. In the men's singles best of 15 games, Mawistan beat Atab 8-4 while Jiten defeated Romeo 8-3, Bona defeated Luching 8-1, Tuleshwar beat Becker 8-6, Lilenji trounced Rajiv 8-0 and Ravishkar thrashed Thoihenba 8-0 to reach the quarterfinals. In the men's open doubles, Premjit and Lenji defeated Uridas and Luching by 8-3 to enter the doubles quarterfinal. 32 players are competing in knockout basis in the tournament organized by Association of Tennis Lovers held at Deco Turf of Chingamathak Youth Learners Club. The tournament will conclude on 18th of this month. Kangkhut traced KKCO Ilangvam Laikai Kangkhut 27-9 in a league match today in the 60th Sir Chorchan Singh Ji KCSI CBE League Cum Knockout Open Kang tournament. The tournament, which began from September 27, is organized by Ibudhau Moirang Pokpa Development Kang Association under the sponsorship of Manipur Kang Association at Ibudhau Moirang Pokpa Sanglen Laiprakpam Laikai at Kakwa. 13 Kangkhuts are competing in the tournament. In the final league tomorrow, NNK Nambol Kangkhut will clash with LSK Wangoi. Manipur women's team, which won the 6th Federation Cup Sepak Takraw Championship, was felicitated today. The championship was held at Raukela, Odisha from October 2 to 4. Manipur team not only won the champion, but KH Priya was adjusted the player of the series. K. Kiranjit led the team as coach while W. Inaubi as manager. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. BJP Manipur Pradesh President T.H. Chauba says BJP does not recognize those who have enrolled through online registration. Excise Department generates revenue of more than Rs 4 crore and 33 lakh from April to September this year. Northeast Forum for International Solidarity to mark Sharmila's 15th year of fast by holding nationwide hunger strike on November 2. And Manipur's Little Angels Paradise School Wangbal settles for the second place in Subrata Mukherjee Football Cup.